Have you been feeling tired, moody, or achy lately, even though you're eating well and trying your best to stay healthy? You might think it's just stress or exhaustion, but sometimes the real reason lies in something much simpler: your body's quiet cry for sunlight. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and this channel, Longevity for Moms, is here to help you protect your energy, balance your hormones, and build the kind of health that lasts for decades. Before we begin, I'd love to ask for a small favor that means the world to us. If you find value in learning how to take care of yourself in real science-backed ways, please subscribe to the channel and help us continue this journey. Your support allows us to keep creating helpful, research-based videos for mothers everywhere, women who are constantly caring for others but rarely get cared for themselves. Now let's talk about something that might be affecting your body more than you realize: vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is vital for your bones, your brain, your hormones, and even your immune system. Yet studies show that nearly 1 in 2 women worldwide are deficient, especially moms who spend most of their time indoors or behind a screen. So let's uncover the 5 signs your body is asking for more vitamin D and what you can do to fix it. Sign number 1. You feel constantly tired or drained. Do you ever wake up tired no matter how long you sleep? That unshakable exhaustion might not be from your schedule. It could be from low vitamin D. This vitamin helps your cells turn food into energy. Without enough of it, your body struggles to make ATP, your natural fuel source. According to Harvard Health, even mild vitamin D deficiency can cause chronic fatigue and low motivation. What to do? Get at least 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight every morning. Arms and face exposed without sunscreen during that short time. Include vitamin D-rich foods like salmon, tuna, egg yolks, and fortified milk. And if you're mostly indoors, talk to your doctor about a D3 supplement, 1,000–2,000 IU daily. Sign number 2. You catch every cold or take forever to recover. If every seasonal bug seems to find you, your immune system may be asking for help. Vitamin D acts like your immune system's general. It tells your white blood cells when and how to respond. A 2019 British Medical Journal study found people low in vitamin D were 36% more likely to develop respiratory infections. That means fewer sunny days often lead to more sick days. Fix it. Add foods that pair well with vitamin D, like mushrooms, citrus, and yogurt. And remember, magnesium and vitamin K2 help your body absorb and use vitamin D effectively. Sign number 3, mood swings or seasonal depression. If your mood dips every winter, or if you find yourself unusually irritable, anxious, or unmotivated, it might not just be in your head. Vitamin D helps regulate serotonin, your brain's feel-good chemical. In fact, a 2022 study in the Journal of Affective Disorders linked low vitamin D levels to increased rates of depression and anxiety, especially in women. What helps? Expose yourself to natural morning light. Even 10 minutes can lift your mood. If sunlight is limited where you live, use a light therapy lamp for 20 minutes daily and combine vitamin D with omega-3s from salmon, chia seeds, or walnuts. This duo nourishes both the brain and mood. Sign number 4, muscle weakness or bone pain. If you've been feeling weak, climbing stairs, or notice aching in your back, hips, or legs, especially after rest, your body may be struggling to absorb calcium. Vitamin D is the gatekeeper that allows calcium and phosphorus into your bones and muscles. Without it, your body can't rebuild strength, no matter how much milk you drink. The Endocrine Society confirms that low vitamin D levels often cause subtle but persistent bone pain and muscle fatigue. What to do? Combine vitamin D with calcium-rich foods like sardines, spinach, and fortified yogurt. Add short bursts of weight-bearing exercise. Even a 15-minute walk helps bones stay strong. And take vitamin D with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil. They boost absorption. Sign number 5. Hair thinning or slow healing. Your skin and hair are mirrors of your internal health. If your hair has started thinning or your cuts take longer to heal, low vitamin D might be part of the picture. Vitamin D helps with cell regeneration and tissue repair. A 2021 study in dermatoendocrinology found women with vitamin D deficiency were more likely to experience hair shedding and brittle nails. What to do? Include foods rich in vitamin D, zinc, and protein. Eggs, yogurt, and salmon are perfect. And limit processed sugar. It slows tissue repair and increases inflammation. Vitamin D isn't just a vitamin, it's a hormone that communicates with over 200 genes in your body. When you're low, every system feels it. Your energy, your mood, your bones, even your ability to fight illness. But here's the good news. You can fix it. You don't need perfection, just small daily steps. Sunlight, real food, consistency. So let's recap the 5 signs. 1. Constant tiredness. 2. Frequent illness. 3. Mood changes. 4. Muscle weakness. 5. Slow healing or hair loss. If any of these sound familiar, your body may be whispering, "I need light." Don't ignore it. A simple blood test and a little sunshine could change how you feel in just a few weeks. And if you found this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to Longevity for Moms. Your support helps us continue sharing science-backed, heart-centered content so mothers everywhere can feel stronger, calmer, and more alive.